Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a snow globe, a Christmas snow globe. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you are a beginner, you will be able to do this. It's extremely step by, I'm going to basically carry you all the way through. You will love it, and you will be able to do it no matter what, even if you just start drawing today. Okay? So it's 8-minute video, so stay all the way to the very end. Really short, and let's get started. First thing we do is definitely what I need you to do is to subscribe to the channel. This is a seasonal channel, and so every season, whether Halloween or Christmas, those are the two big ones. I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos, okay? And so by next year, if you subscribe now, click the bell notification, next year you're going to start seeing all this stuff show up on your feed. So it'll be useful for future you. You'll be like, oh, I need to draw that, So it's a pleasant surprise every year. So definitely hit the subscribe button. And let's get started, okay? I'm going to draw the globe part first. It's a curve, essentially. It's a circle with like an open end at the bottom. Bam, something like that. Curve underneath. Okay, to kind of close it off. If you need to do the circle in parts, absolutely do that. You can turn the paper, do whatever you want. I'm not turning the paper because, like it's a demonstration. I don't want to like move it all over. But if you need to do it in chunks, absolutely do that, right? Just until you get that that part of the circle. And this bottom part should be easy enough. Curve over here around the left. Curve around the right. Underneath. Okay. Go down here. Line for kind of the other part of the stand. Down over here. And then curve underneath here. Then one more time, we're going to do another one of those. Curve, curve, then continue, and there you go. You got it right there. Right on. So let's go inside this this orb here. Gonna go over here and draw a tree. Right, straight line there. Pulling in, pulling in. Continue to go down, down, curve in, pulling down here, curve in, pulling down here, curve in, and kind of extending it across there. Down, down. Over here on this side, we're going to draw some snow on the bottom. And it's going to curve along the left and the right here. Okay. All right, and I'm going to draw some of the snow coming down. They're really just going to be circular. It's kind of random. Put it randomly all over the place. All right, real simple stuff. Really, really simple. I'm going to throw just a dash of color in here. You don't have to do this. You can do this in black marker, at least the part I'm about to do. You can do in black marker. So for the blue, I'm going to grab the blue here. Let's see, is this going to work? No, that's not blue. It's like purple. So for the blue, I'm going to draw a curved line here bordering this. See that how it's bordering it? It's not touching it, but it's like copying the shape. You can do that line in black if you want. But that's kind of what I'm choosing to do for this. And I'm going to fill in the space behind it. So everything except for the white of the snow, right? So I'm going to go down pretty as flat as I can. Just keep, as far as the background goes, it's gonna be like the night, maybe the night sky or it's getting gloomy and dark kind of sky. Right there. More or less just kind of, again, flattening it out. I like Prismacolor marker. By the way, you can do this all in colored pencil as well, or you can also choose to do it in crayon. Whatever works for you. But if you want to use the exact markers I'm using, I'll put the link in the description. It's Prismacolor. Just great stuff. There you go. Just trying to flatten it out. Parts of it are drying, and just I'm going over it again. So that's the blue for that. Whew, it smells bad. That's a problem. Make sure you have a window open when you do this. Gonna go over here. Green for that tree. I'm gonna leave the snow right there. White. And I'm gonna grab a brown over here just for the bottom of that tree, very bottom, right, the plant. And I'll grab like a yellow or orange or something. I don't know what this is. Yeah, for this base, probably yellow, orange, brown. It kind of looks like brownish, right? It could be like a wood or some sort of finish. All right. Whereas that yellowish, that kind of yellowish brown look. Right on. And that's it. That is the entire thing. I want to thank you very much. Hit the like button if you found that easy. Hopefully you did. But also hit the like to support the channel. The channel pretty much survives on likes, because the more likes a video gets, the more it goes out to people, and the more the channel can keep going. So yeah, definitely hit that like, or hit the like on any other video that you like, that you enjoy. And that's it. Talk to you later. I'll see you soon. Merry Christmas. And yeah, stick around. I'm going to be posting constantly through December. And also, if you want to see my regular lessons through the year, go check that out as well. That's pretty much it, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? You can always say hi in the comments as well. I'll say hi back to every single one. All right, later.